Okay, Journal, no? Let's back to the issue of the food, no? Here is the issue, a news item about the food, no? Okay, here is it. After former Batangas Governor Antonio Levistes caper at the Bilibid prison, another appeared detailing the kickbacks top NBP official get from the food budget of inmates. Informant William said NBP officials get at least 5 peso kickback from the 50 daily food budget for inmate. This means only 45 is left for the inmates' breakfast, lunch, and dinner, a measly 15 per meal. William laments that because of the alleged kickback, the quantity and the quality of the food for the inmates end up compromised. Records from NBP's Love Foundation estimate the number of inmates at the NBP at around 39,992 or close to 40,000. At 5 per inmate per day, kickbacks for tough NBP officials reach an estimated 6 million per month or a staggering 72 million per year. To be able to bag a contract for the inmates' food needs, the informant said suppliers are allegedly forced to bribe NBP officials, including those on the Bids and Awards Committee, anywhere from 500,000 pesos to 5 million, depending on the size of the contract.
Alam mo, I agree with William. May personal experience ako dyan. Pero as to whether it is 5 pesos per meal per day per day yan eh. Hindi ko maalam yan. Pero kasi I started 35 pesos yan eh.
Okay.
Ako responsible sa pagtaas niyan. So pero noong 35 I was being offered already 2 pesos per head. Kaya definite ako dyan. Definite ako something pero I will disagree with William na yung mga supplier Porsche. Noong time ko, hindi ko sila pinupuwersa. Sila pumupunta sila nag-o-offer sa akin eh.
So, then eventually you rejected them, of course.
Definitely. Kung hindi ko ni-reject to, i-deny ko yan. Kaya malakas ang loob kong mag-deny eh. Dahil, kaya sabi ko, totoo yan. Bahala sila kung i-deny nila. Basta't alam ko, totoo yan. As to sinong mga officials ang tumanggap, hindi ko na alam. Basta noon time ko, I did not accept any.
And there are proposals for that
meron, definitely.
Okay.
Pagkatapos, ang masakit dyan, nabawasan mo na, dyan sa 5 pesos, bawas yan. Pang big time yan. Babawasan pa noong mga small time.
So, it's not really 45, It's below 45.
Kasi, paano kung nagsusupply? May tubo pa ako. So, yung worth ng 15 pesos mo, baka less than 10 pesos pa yun eh.
So, that's why you said before that the food in the NBP is baboy and baka.
Baboy and baka.
So, it's a food for pigs?
Sa totoo, before ako napasok dyan, nasa military ako, without na iisipin ko na magiging director ako ng Bucor. Alam ko ng sistema dahil naging supplier ako dyan. Nagsusupply ako ng tuyo. Pero hindi sila umubra sa akin, kaya nagalit yung may isang supplier dyan, up to now nandyan eh. Time pa ni Marcos nandyan eh. Tinalo namin. Kasi taga-Nabotas ako eh.
Okay.
I was selling, ang buying ko is 20 pesos. I bid 25. Yung mga barkada ko, they sell, yung iba, bumibili sa mga kabarkada ko sa Nabotas ng 25. So, my selling price is their buying price. How can they beat me?
So they cannot make it against you.
Basta ako nagsusupply na, for a while, I was supplying the NBP ng tuyo. Tapos, nung nandyan ako, yung karkas, kakargahan ng sebo yan. Tapos, kikiluhin mo, sebo ang kinikilo mo. Nakakaimba yung sebo. Kaya merong isang supplier na taga-Caloocan yan, ay banned her. Hindi makapasok yan. Tapos yung mga nagde-deliver ng ilado, yung mga not fresh, binabantay ako. Hands-on yan. Hindi po pwede, hindi ka makikialam. Uutakan ka dyan. Ang isang problema sa Bilibid is, mga dyan na, generation after generation, they are the same people coming from the same family. Dahil kasi Bilibid is a family affair yan eh.
Mhm.
So, in our society, what we want to do is unite the family. Sa akin, ang nakita ko rito is divide the family.
Aha.
Siguro so dito, I would suggest, pwede ba
Yes, of course,
we
General.
move from problem to solution,
Yes, of
solution
course,
to problem.
of course.
Dito, I would suggest na tingnan to and pag-aralan yung family dyan. And I would suggest na pa-early retirement na yung iba dyan. If I may suggest to Secretary De Lima, hanggat hindi mo magagalit mga tao ko sila and mga close sila sa akin. But it was part of my problem. Sa PDEA, tinira ko ng nepotism, but that is a entirely different story because I was building up an organization.
Yes.
Ito established to eh. Nandiyan na yan. Central Bank has a very good system. We can follow Central Bank. Ang Central Bank, if you are there, gusto mo pumasok ang asawa mo o anak mo, mag-resign ka.
So it can't be
Hindi po pwedeng family. Alam mo, whether we like it or not. Although not everybody, but generally, it becomes a problem. You cannot, it's difficult to solve pagka pamilya nag-uusap eh.
Okay. Okay.
It's difficult for you to file a case and testify against even sa Garcia case, hindi ba naging issue dyan sa plunder eh. You cannot have a spouse testify against
his husband,
against the husband or the wife.
Yes, of course.
That's very true sa states in place yung policy na gano'n. Hindi pwede yung...
Sa US naman, meron dyan na I had a lawyer friend, mga professionals, Santiago rin na apelyido nito. Nung matira siya na malpractice, hindi siya pinasok sa... Meron silang facility na hindi kasi nasama sa common criminal. Merong special dyan na parang... Anong tawag doon? Art sa US na papasok ka pero you do other works.
Okay. Here is it. Okay, no? She said that the Beverly Hills Jail in California has 3 different programs. Ayan. Straight time, weekenders, and the work for law program. Under the straight time program, the prisoner just stays in jail until he serves out his sentence. Okay? Under the weekender program, the prisoner checks in on Saturday morning and checks out on Monday morning until the sentence is served. Ayan. Under the work for law program, professionals can go to work in the morning for 8 hours but have to be back in jail for the night. That's what you're saying, General.
Kasi tama yung kay Senator Santiago dahil, a maximum security compound. Ang nandyan is yung based on sentence eh. Kung ilang taong ka eh. Di ba? Kaya may minimum, medium, and maximum. Yun namang iba, yung sinasabi niya professional sa mga crime nila, mga estapa eh. Non-violent. So, hindi sila violent eh. Pagkatapos nando, maximum security compound. Non-violent naman yan eh. Di ba? So, yung mga professionals, tapos may capacity, di pagbayarin mo.
Ayan. So, you mean to say, General, you are acknowledgeable that these programs will be useful in our prisons here in the country?
Oo naman, kasi dito, alam mo naman yung palakas na system, hindi mo maabo. Di, sige na, malakas ka, pero magbayad ka.
With fee.
Sige, may bayad ka.
So, you enjoy with fee?
Kaya pag nagreklamo yung mahirap, di sabihin mo sa kanya, huwag ka mag-alala, hindi ka naman nagbabayad eh. Yung ibinabayad, i-improve namin facilities nyo.
You're the one who benefiting it.
Everybody benefits from the income, ano?
So,
pinag-aralan ni Senator Maigi, yan, hindi yan si Senator
of course.
General, meron ba rito yung kagaya sa California na parang binabayaran mo yung gastos mo sa prison, pero you do social work kagaya yung
wala dito sa
maglinis
atin.
ng kalsada.
Wala dito sa atin yan.
Di ba maganda
ang makikita mo, ginagawa yan, mga minimum security prisoner. Nung araw yan, makikita nyo, under supervision. Kaya nga ang isang ginawa namin, usapan namin ni former Congressman Diaz, ni Rene, dadali namin sa Port Magsaysay yung mga preso, pagkatapos yung mga, ika-classify mo. Yung po
okay.
pwede. Tapos tulungan mo pag-develop ng community. Tapos may income sila.
Okay, okay. Let's take for a pause, Journal Engineer, for we will be having the Voice of America. We'll be back for more some information about this problem and solution of the New Bilibid prison. Stay tuned.